100%.
Exactly. So
And I will not make a noise.
and you already said, what did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you.
Tracy,
When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face.
I'm being here. Asambelweni.
Phoyisa ngcono ngoba uyazibonela angithi uthi imina manje ngithele akenze kanje njengoba ngithuli esho zonke lezi zinto ayishoyo even bekhuluma lapho nomngani wakhe bese baya kovalile ngangimnqandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi ningane niyohlala nodwa ozani la ekhaya hamba nengane ezincane ngakho hamba ubusuku behamba sengingayazi ngiyamsiza ngihleli lengane zakhe
ayikho into emsizayo wena ubona umshado wakhe sifanje awuli
hawu
ayikho into emsizayo ayikho into emsizayo
mina I don't
ayikho into emsizayo ayikho into emsizayo
mina ngiyakhetha
you
amabhesi
grandstanding but you grandstanding what you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so I've never met you.
wena wazuka umuntu emhlabeni
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
hawu
You don't have the you have engaged, you have called to this house a father that has never been ever paid a single cent of school fees that I've been mina
ngimbizile
ufunani la
hayi
ufunani la
ala ikwami la
he's never showed up
mina enginemvumo yokuvumela
yabona mina nginengane ngihlawuliwe zonke izihlawuli zenzela isiko zonke yes zonke angimkweleti inkomo lo mama ngimbesile ngaze ngamkhehla lokho abakhuluma ngaye akaze ahlawule nesent zonke ingane including le akaze ayihlawule wena usumbiza noma ninkosazi wakhe yes unkosazi wakhe loyo
babizwe yimini
who was a best friend and slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami illegitimate people
ubizwe yimini ngibavelaphi
okay ukuthi babizwe wena you allow them here you're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people
inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngeCase yakho
no you're so I can't have a Christmas with my own family because you say
nokuvimbile
wena uvimbile
ngikuvimbele
ufike nje uzolindingane la ufike uzolindingane la
wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda kwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukhuluma khona ukuthi ayiphikiswe ugcina wena awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama facts awufuni ukulazi iqiniso
you do the same for your children you do the same for your children you will do the same for all your children what I'm doing today here you will do the same in fact you will do worse for your children I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay. Mr. Felix?